What's up guys, welcome to Laravel article channel. In this video I'll teach you how you can install Laravel 8 before its official release. If you want to explore new things in Laravel 8 before its official release, then this video for you. Don't try it in your production application until stable Laravel 8 version release on September 8, 2020. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before you install Laravel 8, make sure your machine has PHP at least 7.3. Let's check the PHP version is right. PHP it's 7.2, so we have to change the PHP version. Now our machine has PHP version 7.3. Let's check it. PHP version, yes, it's 7.3. For install Laravel 8 before its official release, we have to install it from dep branch. So we have to run composer, create project Laravel /Laravel. Then we have to specify a name for our project. Here it is Laravel 8, and then we have to specify the branch or version of Laravel. So here we are installing the dep branch, so dep develop and hit enter. Here you can see it's installing. Here you can see our installation is just finished. I'm using WY and it's successfully installed. Let's clear it first. Now enter Laravel 8 project, cd Laravel 8 and PHP artisan cert. Yeah, here you can see this is a completely new Laravel default homepage. You can see in Laravel 8. Previously it was totally different in Laravel 7 or Laravel 6 or 5. You can see here it is, and you can see it is in dark mode because of my PC settings is dark mode. If you want to learn more about what's new in Laravel 8, then a link given in description, so you can check out what is new in Laravel 8. Here it is article on our website, what's new in Laravel 8. Here you can see there is a lot of stuff going on Laravel 8, so you can definitely check out this link. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe.